What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. So I have right here the Samsung Galaxy A54, and I essentially want to answer the question, should you pick this device up in 2024, knowing that the Samsung Galaxy A55 is probably going to come out sometime in the first quarter of 2024, January, February, or March of this year. Now, I've been using this since its launch last year in 2023, so I've had it for about a year. I believe it came out sometime in March, so a little less than a year, very close to it, but overall, it's been a really good mid-range device. Now, I'm speaking mostly on the fact that I haven't been able to review a lot of other mid-range devices, and also on the fact that in the US, there's just not as many mid-range device options as there are in other parts of the world. Yes, we have like the Pixel 7a. Yeah, we have like the Nothing Phone 2 and whatnot, and there are some others. But I still think Samsung Galaxy A54 is going to be a device that majority of the consumers are going to pick up. Now, in my use case, from the predecessor, the A53 to the A54, it's been a significant upgrade in the looks department, design. This feels more premium than its predecessor. I can tell you that. It feels like its S series brother, the S23, and we're hearing that the A55 is also going to have upgraded sides right here. It's going to be made out of aluminum or like a metal. That is going to be more of a premium look and feel to it, and rumors are also indicating that this white circle around the front face camera is also going to no longer be present, and it does stick out like a sore thumb. It does get kind of annoying, but nonetheless, it's here and present. Other than that, day-to-day use on this has been great. The display has been good. It's currently running Android 14, One UI 6. This is also good. It gets up to 4 years of software updates. That is also a plus, but the downside is the Exynos 1380 chipset. Here's why I say it's a downside, because I've been used to using so many Snapdragon devices. This it lags a little bit when compared to those devices. I feel like if this was already like a Snapdragon mid-range chipset, like the Snapdragon 7 Gen 2 or something like that, it would perform a little bit better, but I don't know. I'm just not a fan of the Exynos chipsets. I hope Samsung does get rid of it with the A55, but it looks like rumors are indicating they're going to add like this Exynos 1480. So please, Samsung, just add a Snapdragon chipset, please. This model has 6 gigs of RAM and 120 gigs of storage. International models have 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. Again, that's a downside that the US model doesn't have extra storage and extra RAM. That's okay. I guess for the average person that's going to pick this up, that's going to be fine. Micro SD card expansion is a plus, which I also do like. But essentially it's going to come down to like the day-to-day use of using this phone. It's all right. Just the Exynos 1380 is probably the biggest downside of this phone. And yeah, I guess that's really it for its like day-to-day performance. With the fact that the average consumer can use this is kind of also based on my past experience working in the mobile department at Best Buy. For many who were, at the time, I believe the Samsung Galaxy A50 and A51 were out on the market. A lot of people who were picking them up just needed a phone that was in like the $400 price range, which this series was, the A series was. They didn't really care about how many years of software updates you're getting. They didn't really care about the day-to-day performance. They didn't care about how good the camera quality is. They didn't need iPhone level quality. They were just looking for a phone that's going to work for them, that's going to answer their phone calls. It doesn't matter if it takes a slight second or two to open up Google Chrome or to open up a YouTube video. For them, that's fine. And that's what I've experienced working in the mobile department. Many people just want a phone that's going to work, but at a good price, at a decent price. And this is at a decent mid-range price, $449. You can definitely find it on sale. And I think Samsung's doing a really good job with these A series, the A50 series. With the A55, it looks like they're going to make it a little bit more premium. But again, there's still really no need to wait for the A55 because it's just an everlasting cycle. We're going to be getting new phones every single year. If you're going to wait for the A55 and that's going to come out, wait for the A56. So don't wait, pick it up. Now, battery life on this is the greatest part of the phone. I'll put it that way. 5,000 milliamp-hour battery. It's got 25 watts of wired charge. It's not the fastest and it doesn't have wireless charging, but it has some great battery life. It lasts over a day. I've easily gotten 7 hours of screen on time, and it's lasted longer than some flagships I've tested in 2023 for like 2023 flagships like the Pixel 8 Pro and even foldables too. So that really does mean a lot. Like it will last you. If you're a heavy user, you can rely on this device. If you're not a heavy user and you just use a phone for calling and texting here and there, and you need a phone that works, this is going to last easily 2-day device. But like I said, great device to pick up because of the battery, the price, just the overall look and feel as well. It's a huge step up from its predecessor, the Galaxy A53, and it shares a lot of features from the Galaxy S23. So definitely check it out. I'll be leaving links in the description down below. Samsung, if you do come across this video though, please find a solution to your Exynos chipsets, because they're not the greatest. And I do believe that if you put in a decent chipset that's not going to perform laggy, it's not going to hiccup, the average consumer is going to notice this and they will appreciate it just like I will too. But yeah, that's it for this video. It's getting late. I'm getting tired. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to smash the like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the channel a lot. It will help push my content out to more people. If you want to check out my latest merchandise, I have desk mats, I have coffee mugs, water bottles, duffel bags, sweatshirts, sweaters, joggers, you name it, we got it. And also my wallpaper packs. Again, links in the description down below. This right here is my favorite one. It is called Nebula. And that's it for me, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode.